Hi, I'm Jack Canfield, and today I want to talk to you about some myths about the law of attraction that are keeping people from achieving their goals and living their best life. As a quick reminder, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when I release new videos. The law of attraction is one of the most powerful laws in the universe. However, some people scoff at the idea because they haven't been successful trying to use it to create what they want. Now, a lot of time people have trouble with maximizing the effects of the law of attraction simply because their views of how it works and how to harness its power in their lives are incorrect or incomplete. You see, the law of attraction is very real. And if you truly learn how to use it, it can radically impact the quality of your life forever. So let's look at 3 myths about the law of attraction that could be keeping you from experiencing true abundance in all areas of your life. Now, the first myth about the law of attraction is that all you have to do is think about something you want and you'll automatically get it. Now, when the book The Secret was published, which introduced most people to the law of attraction, many people got the wrong impression about how it works. And the myth developed that all you have to do to get what you want is to simply focus your thoughts on it. For example, many people think that if you want a brand new red Mercedes, all you have to do is focus on getting the car, imagine it in your driveway, write it in your journal that it's yours, and voila, a red Mercedes will appear in your driveway. Unfortunately, that's only partially correct. And while this is definitely a part of activating the law of attraction in your life, that is only one part of it. While thinking positive thoughts about it and keeping it top of mind is important, you also have to add high-frequency positive emotions, visualization, and actions to the equation. Positive thinking alone is simply not enough. The first step in manifesting anything is to first decide exactly what you want. Now, if it's a red Mercedes, fine. Make sure to be clear about what year and what model. Then you have to add a few minutes a day to visualizing, already owning it, and feeling the feelings you would feel if you were sitting in your driveway, in the car, or if you were driving it down the highway. Now, the best way to do that would be to go to your local Mercedes dealer and test drive a red Mercedes and pay close attention to how you're feeling when you're driving it. This will help you move your emotional vibration from fear, unworthiness, blame, doubt, and frustration up to one of optimism, belief, enthusiasm, passion, freedom, and joy. Now, step 2 is to believe it's going to happen. Most people think about what they want. They even focus on getting it through positive affirmations and vision boards and journaling, but they often stop there. What you have to realize is that a necessary part of believing is taking action. The simple truth is that many people, and that might include you, simply don't take any action to make their dreams a reality. For example, if you want a career as a dancer, you will need to take the action of enrolling in dance classes and auditioning for roles as a dancer. You can't just ask the universe for it. You've got to believe that you're going to get it and take the obvious actions to get what you want. You have to act as if you're going to succeed. One of my friends is Sandra Joseph, who starred in the role of Christine in The Phantom of the Opera on Broadway and also on a national tour for almost a decade. Now, she auditioned for the role of Christine several times, but she kept not getting it. Instead, she got to play a role without any lines in a production where she would literally just kind of fall out of a casket. That was her whole bit. But she kept believing and acting as if she were going to get the role, so she stayed in the company, and eventually at one of her auditions, she finally got it, and her career took off. Remember that there are 2 kinds of actions, both obvious actions and inspired actions. So do all the obvious things you need to do to achieve your goal. Take classes, get certified, learn new skills, meet the right people, apply for the job, ask for a raise, and so on. But also be open to taking what are called inspired actions. And these are the ideas that come to you as inspirations, bursts of intuition, and divine guidance. They often don't make rational sense when you get them, but you need to act on them when you receive them. Now, myth number 2 is that it takes a lot of time and work to make the law of attraction work. You might be thinking, I don't have time to make a vision board or do affirmations and visualization every day. I don't have time. I don't want to have to monitor every thought I think. I'm already way too busy just surviving in my job and meeting the needs of my family. Well, here's the deal. Working with the law of attraction should not feel like a burden. It should be fun. It's about love and joy and freedom and fun. And here's the other thing. The law of attraction is always working whether you're consciously focusing on it or not. And just like the law of gravity, it works all the time no matter what. That's why it's called a law. The only issue is whether you want to consciously work in alignment with that law or not. Just a few minutes of practice every day, like focusing on what you're grateful for, appreciating a few people at work or at home, even just a few minutes of meditation, as few as 3 minutes, can start raising your vibration. Giving up blaming and complaining doesn't take a lot of time. It just takes shifting your focus from what's wrong with the world to what's right with the world. Now, the third myth about the law of attraction is that it's some recent New Age mumbo jumbo. The truth is that the law has always been here as a law, just like the law of gravity. Isaac Newton didn't create the law of gravity. He just discovered it. Discovered, meaning you take the cover off what was already there. The law has always been there. And many wise people and awake people from many different cultures were aware of it thousands of years ago. Ancient Persians and Greeks and Romans and Indians and Tibetans and the Chinese were all aware of these law of attraction. Indigenous tribes in the rainforests of the Amazon and the deserts of the Australian, outback understood and cooperated with the law of attraction. Christians, Jews, Hindus, and Buddhists have all written and taught about it. Over 2,000 years ago, Jesus said, "Everything is possible to him who believes." Jesus also said, "Therefore I say to you, all things for which you pray and ask, believe that you have received them, and they will be granted to you." Proverbs in the Old Testament says, "As a man thinketh, so he is." And then more than 2,400 years ago, Buddha said, "We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think." And more than 100 years ago, Rabbi Nachman of Breslov, a revered Jewish teacher, said, "You are wherever your thoughts are. Make sure your thoughts are where you want to be." And I think that last quote is a good place to stop for today. You are wherever your thoughts are. Make sure your thoughts are where you want to be. So I'd like to hear your thoughts after watching this video. Do you believe in the law of attraction? Have you seen its effect in your life? If you feel inspired, please leave a comment below with your answer. I'd love to read what you have to say. So thanks for watching, and remember, nothing in your life will change for the better until you change your thoughts. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, share it with a friend who may need it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And for some additional resources on the law of attraction, make sure to visit my website at JackCanfield.com. Thanks again for watching.